to my channel. Today we're going to be opening a box that I got from Colourpop, and I'm so excited just because I just posted the other video from the first items I purchased from the Mulan collection, and since it relaunched the collection with the movie coming out finally, hopefully, I went ahead and repurchased something that I sort of regret not purchasing before. So let's go ahead and dig in. We're going to go ahead and get to using it. As always, their packaging is superb. And here it is. This is the 4-3 Beauty Face Milk and Lip Mask Bundle. The Colourpop times Mulan. Well, it's part of the Colourpop times Mulan collection. But anyway, you get the point. This is part of the collection. I really wanted to get it, especially since I bought the lip trio with the initial launch. And I kind of realized afterwards I totally should have bought this to go with the lips. Let's just open this, because inside it says we have the gold lip mask and the jasmine face milk. But how cute is this packaging? Like, can you just admire this for a moment here with me? And the back. One more time here. Oh, that's adorable. Packaging on top. Oh, this is cute. Probably going to be one of the packagings I keep, which I actually keep a lot of packages from Colourpop. I know that's probably really bad. I'm going to be on Hoarders one day. Sponsored by Colourpop. But look how cute this is. Let's open it. Oh, look on the inside too. That is really nice. Oh, we have a phoenix. Oh, the inside here is cute too. That's lovely. And this is it. This is it doesn't come out, so that's good. These are the products that are inside. One of them is the, let me get the box, is the jasmine face milk. Yeah. The one that says jasmine face milk is the jasmine face milk. And then this one is the gold lip mask. Let me pop them out, because that'll be way easier to go over. Oh. Okay. Oh, look how pretty. Okay. So it even says here on the bottom, Mulan, gold face mask, or gold lip mask. I suppose you could use it for your face, but that's like one application and that's all you're getting. But my lips could totally use some nourishment, as you may or not be able to tell. And then on the front here you have the adorable little hairpin, and this one, yeah, these are gonna go great together. I'm just gonna go together. Oh. I'm gonna have to break this. I don't want to. This is, I mean, good packaging on Colourpop's part, because this is glass and this is glass, and it came all in one piece. Were you glued? No? I wonder if like the heat here in Arizona just kind of shrunk this a little bit and suctioned these two things in there. That's good packaging though, let me tell you. This is so cute. I just want to smell it real quick. Oh, has a little lid thingy on it. I mean, oh, and it's so easy to take off. I hate the ones where you have this stupid little lid like this and you can't get it and you have to go find tweezers and forceps and a claw machine to try and rip it off. But this one, oh yeah, so easy. Ooh, it smells sweet. Kind of like icing, but not like buttercream icing, if that makes sense. Probably not, but that's cool. And then the jasmine face mask. Pretty light smelling. I mean, you're a little thick, but since I thought this was a whole lip mask kit, in reality it is a face, milk, and lip mask bundle. I'm gonna go ahead and strip off what I have and be back here in like 2 seconds for you, 5 minutes for me because I double cleanse, and we'll be getting to use these, okay? Uno momento. You didn't think I was just gonna buy a fan, a $10 fan, and not use it all the time? This is my fan. This is my jam fan. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the Jasmine face milk. Cute as can be. And I'm gonna do this just like my other face milk I have. Apply like 1-2 drops. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 drops. Rub it together a little bit. And a little actually goes a long way. It's similar to my other face milk, except I ran out about here. So let me just grab a little bit more. The smell for this is very subtle. So if you're one who does not like fragrances, scents, what have you, this is going to be great for you because you can't even, you know, it's really subtle, very nice. Love this stuff. I think it's a little bit thicker than my normal one. What's the one I use? Okay, my matcha face milk. This is in a bigger bottle. It's also in a plastic bottle, and it's still a little jelly, but it's more runnier than that formula, which might be, I don't know, the formula might be good for that. On to the lip mask. I checked on the bottom. I also checked the instructions on the back, and it says nothing about taking this off. It just says basically put on and have a good time, which is like a good life motto to have. So I'm gonna scrape and scrape. Sticky. Do I do a thin coat or a thick coat? I'm confused. I mean, I guess I'm not confused, I'm just lost, which makes me confused. Soft. That's cute. It's like a really, it's not sticky. It's very soft, kind of like a lip oil, like the ones Colourpop just came out with. It's got that shine. Not too much gold, and I kind of like piled it on. You can see it's like super goldy on my finger here, but well, in the pot too, but it's not like that on my lips. And I put a thick layer. We're a little bit about the thick here, but we're okay with thick. Nothing really too dramatic. This is gonna be a yes for me also. Can I sleep with this? Because I definitely know I can go out with this. I mean, I probably wouldn't glob it everywhere like I did, but yeah, that's really nice, really nice. So yeah, these two are gonna be a go for me. I'm so glad I got these. And I was thinking, I don't need them. What do I need them for? I don't need them. But I'm really glad I got these. I'm so glad that Mulan is finally gonna be coming out. I'm gonna be watching it. If by the time I put this video out, I haven't watched it already. The point is, me and Mulan are happening. Just like Disney Mulan and Colourpop happened. It's gonna be great. Let me know in the comments though, did you get anything from the first launch back in what, March? I did, as you can see in my previous videos. And did you get anything from this relaunch? I know a few people besides me who did. I'm glad with my purchase. This is so cute. So from the first launch, I got my fan and my lip trio, and then from this launch, I ended up getting the lip mask and face milk, and I love it all. It's so great. Let me know though. Did you get anything? Were you happy with it? Were you not happy with it? I mean, it's Colourpop. What is there not to like about it? Really? Nothing. Don't forget to leave me a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Comment down below. And remember, we do this every Thursday, Sunday. Yeah, Thursday, Sunday. One of these days I'll remember it. Probably not anytime soon, but one of these days I'm gonna remember it. Anywho, thanks for hanging out. We'll do this again. I will catch you next time and have a great day. Bye.